everyone, Delightful Dolls here. Today I'm going to be reviewing two Maileg washing machines. These are perfect Barbie doll size, and like I said before, the brand is Maileg. This is the side, this is the back, which is the same as the front. This is the other side, which says miniature furniture. And once again, it is by Maileg, as it makes it very clear on the top. So I'm just opening up right now. This is what it looks like out of its packaging, and guys, look how close the box and the real thing is. They have the same buttons, the same door, everything's the same. And of course I got two because I wanted a washing machine and a washing machine and a dryer. And the front of it can open, and then it kind of looks like a real washing machine on the inside. On all the other sides, it's just blank. And it says Maileg at the top, bottom right corner, and on the top it kind of has an indent. This is a size comparison to a Barbie doll. I think it is the perfect size. So you can put your doll's clothes into the washing machine. Let them wash. Take them out. Put them into the dryer. Let them dry. But where are we supposed to put them from now? I'm going to show you guys how to make this really cute laundry basket for your dolls. All you'll need is cardstock and glue. Now let's change the background since it'll be a little hard to see the laundry basket with this white color. So I changed the background to green, hopefully you guys don't mind. First we're gonna start off by measuring the bottom of the laundry basket. I measured 1 3/4 inches and 2.5 inches long. And then you just want to cut out that shape. And then for the walls, I'm marking 1.5 inches tall, and then I'm marking 1/4 inch thick. And you just want to make a whole bunch of those, and they're going to go all the way around your laundry basket. Then once you've drawn out a whole bunch of those the sides of your laundry basket, cut all those little strips out. And then begin gluing them all the way around your laundry basket, leaving spaces in between each one, as you can see here, and just continue all the way around. Once you have done the strips all the way around, you want to measure some more for the top all the way around. As you can see here, I'm just gluing on the strip for the top to hold on all the little pieces, and you just do that all the way around. And then I just did a second row of strips all the way at the bottom. Giving your laundry basket a clean look. Next, to make the handles, you want to take a piece that's about 1 inch long, then fold back the ends a little bit, as you can see I'm doing here. Then glue on those ends and push them onto your laundry basket, as you can see I'm doing here. And you're done. And now you can fill your laundry basket with all of your doll's dirty clothes. Hope you guys like this craft. Thanks for watching my review and DIY. See you next time. Bye!